Cells not updating automatically. I have a formula in a cell which counts the values in 2 other cells. Normally, after entering in the values in these 2 other cells, the formula cell updates automatically when enter is pressed or when the cells are clicked out of. However, for some reason, the value calculated by the formula does not update automatically. I am having to click on the formula bar, then I have to click enter for the formula cell to do its thing. Why is this happening?
A likely cause is that calculation is set to manual. To change this to automatic in the various versions of Excel. 2003, tools is greater than options is greater than calculation is greater than calculation is greater than automatic. 2007, office button is greater than Excel options is greater than formulas is greater than workbook calculation is greater than automatic. 2010 and newer, a file is greater than options is greater than formulas is greater than workbook calculation is greater than automatic. On Mac. 2008, Excel preferences, calculation, automatically. In some cases you may prefer to keep it set to manual, for example if there are many heavy calculations to perform. In such cases, you can simply press F9 when you want the calculations to update.
Confirm with Excel 2007, Office button is greater than Excel options is greater than formulas is greater than workbook calculation is greater than automatic. Short key to refresh. Control plus F9.
I had a case of this just now on Excel 2010, a particular spreadsheet that would not auto-recalculate. I changed the setting as indicated above, but the auto-recalculate still did not work, and upon rechecking the calculation option, found it had reset itself back to manual all by itself. 3 attempts later, and it was still adamant it wanted to be manual and nothing else. So here is my solution to the problem. Copy the contents of the spreadsheet to a new one, and deleted the old one. It wasn't a particularly important spreadsheet, thankfully, and everything was fine. I can only assume that somehow the file had become corrupted. A good reason to keep backups.
Reposting this snippet that user RFB had inappropriately attempted to edit into my answer. A possible cause is that the Office prefs file is corrupted. In OS this can be found in. Delete this file and restart the OS. A new plist file will be created when Office is restarted. Formulas recalculated again perfectly.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.